Here comes another one. Get ready. He played it safe. Yeah, buddy. Oh! Something popped. Yeah. Heard bolt stinging. Usually you watch the camera guy on top of the RV and he'll tell you, when he starts filming over there, no one's coming. Alright, get ready. Oh shit! Oh fuck! It's on fire! Fuck! And the assholes just blocked our view. Alright. That was pretty sick. Let's go. Back up.
Crying about his dad, man. Like, that's...
Damn. Got that on film. Yeah.
Not in the jump, right?
Way below. He's getting ready to hit the jump. 40 miles an hour.
No, they're not gonna let him.
I know, they're trying to turn it on the stop.
I know.
A lot of them can't get the radios over their motors.
Yeah.